Hi Christian. I hid all the stitches I needed to hide. So you can see I run along the thread here. It came from the end of that. And here I hide all the red and the black joint. A couple of knots here. I don't know if you can see that one there. So it's a bit lumpy. And another one somewhere I hid it, not sure where now. Yeah, so I try to hide it as much as I can, but hard to tell, to be honest. So I'm not sure where it was. It was somewhere. It's great that we can't really see it. So one's there, one somewhere else I couldn't find. The inside, I joined the inside here. So it should be pretty neat. Hard to see. Oh yeah, there.